I've been using the SteelSeries Arctis Pro Wireless headset now for some time, and I have to say this is my new favorite headset. This headset got a lot of cool features that I really like and appreciate, and going to another headset now, I would really miss those features. Let's start with overall build quality. For me, I would just give it a pass. It feels like a gaming headset. We have a lot of plastic, and the build quality doesn't give the best confidence, but I really haven't seen a lot of RMAs when it comes to like hinges breaking and such. The ear cushions on these I feel are very soft, and also feel they are a little bit too small in my opinion, at least for my ears, so they put some strain on the bottom part of my ear because it doesn't really fit too good in there. And I think this is a general problem with Arctis Pro line or Arctis 7 to Arctis 3 I believe. But I've seen the new Prime headset from SteelSeries got a little bit of a different design that maybe would fit better. So it would maybe have been nice if they take those features and implement it into this Arctis Pro, so they would be a little bit more comfortable. When it comes to the sound, I really like it. In games is absolutely awesome. All of like shooting sounds and such got a good punch and such. And we also got a good spatial awareness when playing. But listening to music, I would use another headset. Since this is a nice wireless headset with also Bluetooth capabilities, I really like to put on a podcast or have some YouTube video in the background, like when I'm cleaning my house and such. It's just a good overall headset. Perfect for gaming, but for music it lags a little bit behind. But overall, I can't really complain about the sound here compared to other headsets. The microphone is also really good. I think they call it some Clearcast or something like this, and I think this is one of the best mics that I've ever tested. And we also got this like red LED there, so if we mute the sound from the microphone, you can see it with your own eyes that you have your microphone off. So what's cool about this headset is that it's of course is wireless, but we can use Bluetooth and also the built-in 2.4 GHz sound transmission from like this audio box. So you would connect this audio box to your PC, and then it will stream sound from your PC over the 2.4 GHz signals to your headset. And I can't really see to have any delay, and I've never had an issue with like the sound lagging behind or hiccups and such. And it's 2.4 GHz, and I haven't seen any effect on like internet wireless either, which is nice of course. But simultaneously, as you stream 2.4 GHz sound from this base unit to your headset from your PC, you can also connect with Bluetooth simultaneously. So I can play games like Call of Duty with all of the sounds there, and then I can pull up my phone and listen to like a podcast or pull up a video and have both of those sounds playing at the same time. You can change the levels of the different sounds coming from the PC or over Bluetooth on the headset itself, on your phone, on your PC, or on this dock station or the base unit. So I haven't really wanted to use a wireless headset before because of charging and such. Seems like headset often runs out because I wouldn't turn it off and such. But here I wouldn't say that is a problem because we always have like a battery charged. So in the base station there is a socket where you put the battery to charge it, and you have two batteries, one in your headset and the other battery always charging in the dock. So if you run out, you simply just change the batteries and you are up and running again within a few seconds, which is a really nice feature. And if I were to use another wireless headset on my like main PC and such, I really need this feature here. So if you have Discord up with the toggling on the main unit, you can adjust the chat sounds and the game sounds, and I find this really useful. And in this main unit itself you can change a lot of settings, and you also have the SteelSeries engine where you can go in and change a lot of settings and sound profiles and such. And in the SteelSeries engine, you can use a different apps and such. So you can like download or install different apps. It doesn't really seem to get updated. And I haven't really seen a lot of games that I play in there, but the only one is actually Counter-Strike. So if I'm playing a competitive match, you will like see game stats and such on this display on this main base unit. Otherwise, I have like a system monitor app installed, and then we can like see the overall parameters of the computer running with like GPU temp, CPU temp, and usage and such.